Good morning, students. In this video, I am going to discuss the applications of Heron's formula in finding areas of quadrilateral. Now, the first question from exercise 12.2 is, a park in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD has angle C equal to 90 degree. The side AB is 9 meter, side BC is 12 meter, side CD is 5 meter, and AD is 8 meter. Now, how much area does it occupy? You need to find the area of quadrilateral, right? It is given that angle C is of 90 degree. So, this is your angle C. This is of 90 degree. Here, I have taken B, A, B, C, D. So, ABCD is a quadrilateral where angle C is 90 degree. The side BC, this is given to be 12 meter. The side CD, this is given to be 5 meter. AD is 8 meter. And the side AB, this is given to be 9 meter. You need to find the area of quadrilateral. Now this quadrilateral ABCD is made up of two triangles. Triangle ABD and triangle BCD. Now in triangle BCD, angle C is of 90 degree. That means this is a right angle triangle, right? And its area is half base into height. So the area of triangle BCD is half base into height. Here the base is BC and the height is CD. BC is given to be 12 meter and the height CD is given to be 5, right? So this is 30 meter square. That means the area of triangle, right triangle BCD is 30 meter square. Now you need to find the area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD. Just look here. This triangle BCD is a right angle triangle, right? So if we use Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. So this BD square is, now BC is given to be 12. So this is 12 square is 144 plus CD square. CD is 5. So this is 5 square is 25 is 169. So the diagonal BD is equal to 13 meter. Now in this triangle ABD, we have all three sides. Side AB is 9 meter, side AD is 8 meter, and that this is 13 meter. So you assume that let in triangle ABD, A is 13 meter, B is 8 meter and C is 9 meter. Now we are going to use the Heron's formula for finding the area of triangle ABD. First the semi-perimeter S is A plus B plus C by 2. So 13 plus 8 plus 9 by 2. 13 plus 8, 21 plus 9, 30 by 2 is 15 meter. Apply Heron's formula. Area of triangle is under the root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So S is 15 into 15 minus A is 13 into 15 minus B is 8 into S minus C. 15 minus 9. So this is 15 into 2 into 7 into 6. This is under the root 1260. Try to solve this root by yourself. On simplification, this is 35.5 meter square approximately. So the required area of quadrilateral is area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD. Now area of triangle BCD was 30 and area of triangle ABD is 35.5. So on simplification, this is 65.5 meter square. Question number 2. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 3 cm, BC is 4 cm, CD is 4, DA is 5 and AC, the diagonal AC is 5 meter. Just look here. This is your quadrilateral ABCD. Side AB is 3 cm, side BC is 4 cm, side CD is 4 cm, this is 5 cm and this diagonal is also 5 cm. Now if you look here in triangle ABC, this is AB square plus BC square is 3 square plus 4 square, that is 9 plus 16 is 25, which is equal to AC square. So that means this triangle ABC This is satisfying Pythagoras theorem. So this triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and this is right angle at angle B. So that means this angle B is going to be of 90 degree by the converse of Pythagoras theorem, right? So if you find its area of triangle ABC, this is a right angle triangle. So its area is half into base into height. The base is AB and height is BC. So this is half into 3 into 4, 6 centimeter square. Now you need to find the area of triangle ACD. Look here, side AC, CD and AD. All three sides are given. So we are going to use the Heron's formula for finding its area. Let the side A is 5, the side B is 4 and side C is 5. So S is A plus B plus C by 2. This is 5 plus 4 plus 5 by 2 is 7 centimeter. Now the area of triangle ACD is using Heron's formula. Is under the root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is 7. 7 into 7 minus 5 into 7 minus 4 into 7 minus 5. So this is 7 into 2 into 3 into 2, right? 7 into 2, 14. 14 into 6 is 84. Square root 84. On simplification, this is 9.2 centimeter square approximately. So the area of quadrilateral ABCD is area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. That is 6 plus 9.2 centimeter square or 15.2 centimeter square. Question number 4. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base. It is given that triangle and parallelogram have same base and same area. If the sides of triangle are 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter and the parallelograms stand on the base 28 centimeter. Please read your statement carefully. It is given that parallelogram is standing on the base 28 centimeter and we are also given triangle and parallelogram have the same base. That means the base of let AB be the base of triangle as well as parallelogram and it is given this base is 28, right? So this side AB is 28. Now you need to find the height of parallelogram. Just look here. Triangle ABE, right? Both parallelogram and triangle, they are on the same base. So triangle ABE, the sides of triangles are given in the question are 28, which was base, other is 30 and let this be 26. And the parallelogram ABCD. This is your parallelogram which is having the base AB as 28 centimeter. And in question you need to find the height of parallelogram. Just look at the solution part. Let AEB be a triangle and ABCD be a parallelogram on the same base. On the same base AB which is 28 centimeter given in the question, and this triangle and parallelogram both are having the equal area, right? Now you need to find this height of parallelogram, right? Let H, this is DP, drop a perpendicular here. So this height H is DP, be the height of parallelogram. In triangle ABE, the sides are 28, 26 and 30. So first by using the Heron's formula, we are going to find the area of triangle and then it is given in the question both triangle and parallelogram are having same area. So we are going to compare their area for finding the height. So use Heron's formula A, B, C and the semi-perimeter S is A plus B plus C by 2. 26 plus 28 plus 30 by 2. This is 84 by 2 is 42 centimeter. Now the area of triangle is under the root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So this is root 42 into 42 minus 26 into 42 minus 28 into 42 minus 30, right? So this is 42, 16, 14, 12. Now 42. it can be written as 3 into 14. 16. 4 into 4. This 14 as it is 12. 3 into 4. I'm going to combine the same factor. 3 and 3, right? Then 14 and 14. Then 4 into 4 and this 4 as it is, right? Now, this is 9, right? 3, or you can write this as 3 square and its square root will be 3. Same here, 14 square, its square root is 14. This is 4 square, its square root is 4 and square root of 4 is 2. So this is 336 centimeter square. Now it is given in the question, the area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABE. We know that the area of parallelogram is base into height. So if you look here, the base is AB and this is your height DP or H. So this is AB into H is 336. On simplification, 28 into H is 336, or H is equal to 336 divided by 28. This is equal to 12 centimeter.